Good evening. The volatile economy is igniting a big problem in San Antonio.
Tonight, we've uncovered a growing crime of people torching their cars to get by, and it's costing all of us. KENS 5's Amanda Stanzel is live with a story you'll see only on 5.
Yeah, Chris and Sarah, car arson has been a pretty bad problem this year in San Antonio, but it appears that as the economy gets worse, so does the problem. And yes, we are all paying for it. With flames flaring and a blaze as orange as Halloween, this car fire on Cape Cod last Wednesday night could be seen for miles. This, something arson investigators are seeing way more often in San Antonio.
Since May, we're averaging 25 a month.
A few months ago, Eyewitness News first told you about a spike in people deliberately setting their cars on fire. Lieutenant Steve Torres took us to this car arson junkyard, growing in size.
You're having a tough time, and you perceive that this is a way out.
But now it seems people are even more desperate. In March, April, and May, there were 48 cases of car arson. June, July, and August, that number jumped to 72.
If this keeps up, we'll be close to 300 calls for the year on arson vehicle fires.
And this is a problem that affects you and me.
Each and every consumer pays for insurance fraud through about $200 to $300 more in their premiums per year.
So a few hints if you suspect your neighbor torched his tank.
Most of the time, they say their car got stolen.
Most cars don't get stolen, okay? Most cars don't catch on fire.
Empty lot, isolated area, nobody around.
And of course, people behind on bills, desperate for dollars. Meaning this is a scene we'll likely see more of.
You will be able to see people taking steps that they normally wouldn't take.
Now, that car fire we just showed you is still under investigation. If it is ruled arson, the person who set it faces 2 to 20 years in prison. We're reporting live. Amanda Stanzel, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.